Pandemic is a disaster and it has adversely impacted on the global economy. Every country is victim of this pandemic, and this is so huge challenge that no one single country can cope with it. China is playing its vital role and its share for the global welfare. China is willing to build a health system for the global community where every country, every citizen, every human being will have the access to the good health care and enjoys a good health. China is already helping many developing countries to provide the vaccine. China is following an open door policy and believes in globalization and multilateralism. China supports the multilateralism and the globalization. China is working with the rest of the world to promote the common goal of multilateralism and believes that multilateralism is the only solution to safeguard the small countries and especially the developing countries and the other developed countries.